Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I want to show you how to sign PDF documents on your iPhone. So in order to do this, you'll need to download a PDF from your email or the web browser. Here in this example, I've downloaded a PDF from the internet and saved it in the Chrome folder. So let's go to your home screen and then tap on Files app, then tap on My Phone, then tap on Chrome. Now find your PDF file and tap on it. Your PDF will open and will give you a preview of the PDF. Scroll to the page where you want to add your signature. Take a screenshot of the page. Now once the screenshot has been taken, you'll see the screenshot preview at the bottom left. Tap on the screenshot at the bottom left. You will now be able to edit the screenshot. Crop the image to fit the page size. Tap on the plus sign at the bottom right and then tap on Signature. You should get a line where you'll be asked to sign your name using your finger. Create your signature and then press Done. Your signature will then appear on the document and you'll be able to change the size and move the signature anywhere you like on the page. Using the plus sign, you can also add text to the documents to fill out any empty fields. Once you're happy, press the Done button at the top left of the screen. Then tap on Save to Photos. Go into your photo gallery and you'll find the signed document in a photo format. Now you can email that photo to your friends or to your computer and print it out. And there you go, that is how to sign PDF documents on your iPhone. Hope you found this useful. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions or if this worked for you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.